Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, LadySamoan, and we are here with another video. Yes, y'all. I am so excited for this video, and this is something special for me because I have never ordered from Hobbii. I think it's Hobbii Yarns, and I'm excited for my order. Now, I'm going to unbag the order with you. I just ordered a couple of things. I was on the website, and this is my bag. I was on the website, and there was a few things that I wanted to order, and I was just like, for my first order, let's see some yarns that I possibly think that I would like and that I would want to reorder or just try out. So I went a little light this time, but I'm excited to open it with you all. And before we get started with the video, if you have ever ordered from Hobbii Yarns, let me know what are your favorite yarns, the things that you really like best from them, and any suggestions you got. You know, I'm more so amigurumi girly, but I do like to crochet my hats in between. So just give me a little hint. And I would say, before we get started, I have a project that I need to work on. Let me think, guys. It is for a summer, like a summer dress. And this will be like a one and done. I told the person I would try it just for you. So if y'all know any yarns that would be best, you know, for some, it don't have to necessarily be from Hobbii. Any of the summer yarns that y'all use, let your girl know in the comments down below, because I'm thinking more so on a cotton or bamboo, but let me know which yarns that y'all use best when you're making a wearable summer piece. With all of that being said, let's get into this unbagging. So, y'all, now one thing as I unbag this, I'm going to say shipping did take a little long for me, but I would say Hobbii did send an email out letting me know that they were behind, I guess because I ordered during a sale. So it took a little while. I guess a lot of people ordered during the sale, and I cannot even remember what I ordered. So we're going to look at it together. Ooh. Okay, so this one is the Honey Bunny Candy. Look at that. Honey Bunny Candy. This kind of matches my nails. Look at that. And I would say my daughter picked my nail color for this nail visit, so shout out to little Miss Madison. She said she wanted to pick some colors that she knew I wouldn't pick, but they turned out gorgeous. And look how they matches this yarn. It's like an Easter blend. So this is my Hobbii Bunny Candy. Does it have colorway on here? Like I said, I never, just in case anybody wants to know, let's go do that. Let's see. It's 85% polyester, 15% polyamide. It is a 6 super bulky yarn, 131 yards, and I'm trying to see if it has like a color. Nope, it just have like color 75. So it's like the grayish with the specks. This is so cute. So we have this one. Ooh, okay. And I got burgundy-ish color in the toucan. And toucan is 100%. Look at that. Toucan is 100% polyester. How many? 131 yards as well. So this is that color. I think this is color. Look at that. I'm trying to match all around today because this kind of matches my sweater. So that's pretty. Look at that. Then we have, let's just pull them as we go. Oh, this is pretty. This is another one of the Honey Bunny Candy. Okay, so look at that. And it got like the candy kind of, it's like the specks. It looks, this is so cute. So Honey Bunny Candy here. And then we have, I have another solid in the toucan. I went with purple. And I want to say the solid that I got in this, look, I'm telling y'all, I did not plan this. The purple is matching my hat, y'all. Look at that. We are matching all around today. You know this video is supposed to be, videoing. That's what it is. That's what it is. But it has the same specs as the burgundy one. But this right here, guys, this is so cute. And I remember wanting to get the solid colored because I love Joanne Posh, but one thing I would say with the Joanne Posh yarn, they have been out of stock. And I'm just like, what? That's my favorite yarn. So it's been out of stock. I wish they had a little more colors, and plus they didn't have like the purples, the reds, and stuff like that. So that's why I think I got this one in the burgundy. So these are the same specs as that one. And two more, guys. Look at this cutie patootie. This is another Honey Bunny Candy, same specs as the gray one, but we have this one in like a this gives me more like a creamsicle type color. Very, very pretty, and got the specs and everything in there. Honey Bunny Candy. I love the feel of these too. So it's going to be interesting for me to see how they work up together. And not only that, what I also want to see is how they work together in a project, because I got a project in mind for these. And the last one is another Honey Bunny Candy in pink. So I did one, see if I can put them all together. 2, 3, let's see, and 4 Honey Bunnies candy, 4 of the Honey Bunny candy in these colors here. So I'm gonna have 4 of these and 2 of the toucans. And we're going to put them, I think what I'm going to do, the toucan, I will try to use as a last alternative for the project, because the project that I want to make is a very big project. And I'm like, I can use all the Hobbii yarns just to kind of see how they flow together. Oh, they got a little Hobbii candy. Isn't that cute? I'll give this to my daughter. That's the Hobbii candy that came in my bag. And that was all that came in there. Yep, that was all that came in my bag. But like I said, this is my first ever Hobbii order. I'm excited about this order. I want to see how all of the things work up together. I got a plan. And although the colors don't flow like effortlessly together, I'm believing that they're going to flow, because look, the purple, the wine, the nails, the everything, these all make sense to me. So all this right here going to make sense. So be on the lookout for that project, because I'm going to make that. Now, before we get up out of here, something was telling me, again, we got to do this inspiration at the end, y'all. It's a beautiful day. Let's pull from this jar. Let's see what we're going to get inspired by today. And we're going to leave off on such a beautiful note. Okay, we're going to leave off with this one right here. I'm opening up. And it says, I can get it open, y'all. Okay, love who you are and watch what you do in life. Mimic the love you have for yourself. Y'all, I'm going to read that one more time. I'm going to let that resonate. I'm going to let that resonate because, whew, that is a message I know I say is for all of us, and we say it just hit a little different. So it's love who you are and watch what you do in life. Mimic the love that you have for yourself. That is so true. A lot of times we'll get caught up on what we feel other people would think or say about a choice that we've made. And honestly, as long as you're confident with that choice, you love yourself in the process of that choice, it's okay. Because not everybody is going to love what you do. Not everybody will love how you do it. Don't get caught up by the lights, the cameras. Don't get caught up on what other people think of you. Always in your heart, do what is in you. Do what makes you happy. And the people who are supposed to be for you, with you, and to do your journey alongside you will actually love you the way that you love you. So never forget that. Never forget that. So I hope y'all have such an amazing, beautiful rest of your week. Let me know in the comments below about these Hobbii yarns that y'all have tried, or even the ones that y'all want to try. And also, please let me know about the summer yarn that you use for wearables. Help me out. So with that being said, I want y'all to always remember that I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and I will see you next time.